Hi, this is Ben Glinsky, founder and CEO of Live Good. Over the past 20 years, we've launched and run some of the most successful products and companies in the entire network marketing industry. We've helped hundreds of thousands of people all over the world generate extra income from home, paid out close to $1 billion in commissions, and have been featured all over the internet, in magazines, newspapers, even on TV. People often ask, how have our companies been so successful while thousands of others have failed? The answer is simple: timing. Recognizing trends in the network marketing industry, trends in society, trends in the economy. With inflation higher than ever, gas prices up, causing utility bills to rise, mortgage and rent payments going up, travel getting more expensive, people are looking for ways they can save money without compromising quality. Because of that, the network marketing industry is at a major crossroads. Products have become more and more overpriced just so companies can pay out big commissions and compensation plans. But with buying habits trending away from higher priced products in search of better value, that model just doesn't align with where the industry is going. In fact, if you look at some of the biggest companies in the network marketing industry, like Herbalife, USANA, and Nu Skin, their revenues are down as much as 20% from just a year ago. While companies like Walmart and Costco's revenues are up 9% and 12%. In the words of our director of network marketing, Nader Kazan, the days of selling overpriced products so a few people at the top of a compensation plan can get rich are over. That's why we created Live Good. Teaming up with amazing health and wellness experts Ryan and Lisa Goodkin, we've created a line of the highest quality nutritional supplements on the planet that people need. And we make them available for as much as 75% less than what other companies are charging for lower quality products. Take our organic Super Reds, for example, probably the best cardiovascular health product ever created. Higher quality with more antioxidant-packed ingredients than even best-selling non-organic Super Beets, and for less than half the price. How about CBD oil? Other companies are selling 500 milligram CBD oil for as much as $80. Ours is the highest quality CBD available anywhere, and with 750 milligrams of CBD, it's 50% stronger for just $18. Not only that, but every one of our highest quality products comes with a full 90-day empty bottle money-back guarantee. If you don't absolutely love any of the Live Good products that you order, simply send back the empty bottle and we'll give you a full refund. No questions asked. So what does all this mean for you? On top of having products that virtually sell themselves in a company that is perfectly aligned with shifting buying habits in the marketplace, we give you all the tools, systems, websites, videos, training, and everything you need to help you earn extra income easier and faster than any other company in the industry. In fact, this video that you're watching right now is part of the industry's most powerful Powerline-driven marketing system that allows you to reserve a free temporary position in our company before you have to commit anything to getting started. What that means is when you enter your name and email on this page, we will immediately reserve you a position and show you everyone who does the same after you by placing them under you in the Powerline. Now, each Thursday night is the cutoff day to lock in your position or miss out. Everyone who locks in their position by becoming a member of Live Good for just $9.95 a month, plus a one-time $40 affiliate sign-up fee, moves to the top of the Powerline above everyone who waits. Those people are then placed in our fast-filling 2x14 forced matrix before all the people below them in the Powerline. So each person is positioned in the matrix in the highest available position following their enroller. By being a member of Live Good, you're going to save up to 75% off the highest quality nutritional supplements on the planet to keep you and your family healthy. And if you happen to get some people placed under you in the matrix and you make a few extra $100 a month or a few extra $1,000 a month on top of that, even better. And the way our compensation plan works, you have the potential to earn over $2,000 a month in the matrix without ever having to enroll a single person. And if you do choose to share Live Good products and opportunity with others, you can earn significantly more. In fact, with our matching bonuses, just by enrolling one person, you double your earning potential. With millions of people joining Live Good in the next 24 months, the only place they can go in the matrix is under the ones who are already in there. So the sooner you lock in your position, the and it won't take long for you to see why people are calling Live Good the most exciting company in the industry. We'll see you at the top.
All right, see you all at the top. No, so at least ngayon, meron na kayong at least konting idea kung sino ba at kung ano ba si Live Good. So mas ipapaliwanag pa natin yan dito sa ating presentation. Kaya tune in ka lang, don't tune out. All right, so let's proceed.
Hi.
So who is Live Good? Yan. Okay, Live Good officially launched globally on December 13, 2022. Okay, Live Good is a US-based direct sales company focused in these two things, the wellness and digital service industry. So alam naman natin, no, hindi na yan bago, no, that health is wealth, no? So malaking ano yan industry din, and of course, ano yan, hindi yan fad, talagang forever yan mag-exist. Kailangan natin magpaka-healthy and di natin pigilan kumbaga yung pag mag-evolve, no, ng of course mga yung panahon, 'di ba? So halos lahat is nasa online na. Okay, so yan po yung focus ng ating company right now. Okay? And ang ating fulfillment center po ay nasa Jupiter Park, Florida. Okay? So Live Good is a club membership that pays. Okay? So marami kasi mga club membership out there na enjoy mo naman benefits pero walang kita na binabalik sa iyo. Okay? But dito, you can earn money sa club member whether or not you refer other members to the program. Okay, so yan, before ka mag-react, di ba? Sabihin mong too good to be true. Ayan, so mukha nga, di ba? Pero pag walang idea talaga, mukhang too good to be true. Pero pag naintindihan mo, okay, possible pala talaga na kahit mag-refer ka or hindi, pwede kang kumita. Right? So patapusin mo to nang sa ganun ay maintindihan mo. Okay? So, unlike most home business opportunities, Live Good is not about overpriced products. Well, maraming mga companies out there, ayan, nagsisitaasan na yung mga price ng mga products nila. Okay, syempre dahil yan sa, pagkuha ng materials or mga raw mats. So, normal talaga yon lalo na sa panahon natin. Ngayon, di ba? Tumataas yung mga presyo. Okay, pero dito, we are about saving people money on health products. Okay? Oh, so if you have a passion for health and wellness, then this is for you. If you have a passion for helping people, then this is also for you. If you are not looking for get-rich-quick scheme, then definitely this is for you. Yeah, tune in ka lang, don't tune out. All right. And si Live Good po ay hindi siya traditional na direct sales or mga MLM companies, yung mga Jurassic, no. Alright. Kasi ano ba yung meron sa mga traditional or yung mga tinatawag nating mga old school? Ayan. Okay, number one, we have this product package. Ayan, kumbaga pag sayo pa lang, ayan, nabentahan ka na. Ayan, kahit may mga package na di mo pa kailangan or di pa gusto yung product, since kasama siya doon, so wala kang choice. Eh, makukuha mo talaga. Alright? Ayan. So, ganyan, product package. And mostly, number two, overpriced. Okay, overpriced talaga yung products. Okay, pag may product package, mostly talaga retail yung price. Okay? And overpriced talaga. Okay, so later on, meron tayong ipapakitang comparison, no? Ayan, sa price. Ayan. So, number three, left and right pairing system. Alright? So, goods din po yan, yung paying system, marami din po yung pinayaman, we're not against that, pero ang downside lang po kasi niyan pagka yung isa lang, yung kabila lang yung malakas mo, yung kabila hindi, okay, tapos lang talaga, kumbaga isa lang gumagalaw, alright, isang linya lang, so wala kang kikitain dun, okay, ayan, So, hindi rin siya healthy kung gusto talaga natin, makapag-build, and by far sa experience, by experience ko. So, ano din talaga, may mga downside, no? Ayan. So, number 4, may monthly maintenance on unit level. So, need mo bumili ng products kahit di mo pa gusto, di mo pa kailangan para ma-maintain yung rank mo and may makuha mo yung commission mo. And number 5, may fifth pair incentive. Ito po yung sa pairing, okay, left and right, na kada limang in your fifth pair, hindi po siya magiging commission. Magiging points po siya pampalit ng gadget or your products. And on our case, no, hindi lang 3, 4, 5 pair, no. So parang dalawa lang yung pair, okay? So ganun po 'yun. All right? So kumbaga, commission mo na, ginawa pang points. Ganun, okay? And number 6, limit of encoding, kasi may kung may kumbaga may what do you call this one? Limitado and safety net din ng company. All right? Tapos number 7, flash out. Okay, so kumbaga, dahil nga siyempre nagkakaroon ng flash out, ayan, ang nangyayari is that napipigilan talaga yung momentum. Yung excited na yung team mo, di ba, mag-encode, lalo na yung magkakasimula pa lang, siyempre, kailangan may account ka agad yan, tama. Okay, so since limitado ka lang, kasi pag sumobra ka sa encode, sabihin natin, may cycle kasi yan eh. Alright, so AM, PM, parang ganun. So sabihin natin, 5 lang, 5 yung maximum, nag-anim yung kabila mo, yung winning side. Ayan, so mga binarians, makaka-relate nito. Okay? Ayan, so pagka sumobra yung encode sa kabila, ang mangyayari, kung meron kang mga waiting na to be paired, no, sabihin natin ilang thousands, tens, hundreds of thousands, sumobra lang sa kabila, flash out yan. That means na back to zero yan. Yung feeling na i-motivate mo yung leader mo na flash out, na okay lang yan kasi malakas ka, di ba? I-motivate mo na minamind mo para tumuloy, di ba? Pero deep inside talagang parang pipigil talaga, and at the same time nakaka stop ng momentum. All right? Ayan. So ganun po 'yun pagka traditional. Alright? And number 8, unexplained deductions, mga miscellaneous fees, mga processing fees, or ano-ano pang mga fees, no? Kung totoo talaga yan. Okay? And number 9, because of those reasons, kakaroon talaga ng high attrition. Alright? Malaki yung, marami yung mga na nag-quit. Okay? Kaysa sa mga nag-stay. In fact, sabi nga natin siyo, mga 2.8, mga 3 months lang, huminto yung iba talaga. Okay? Because nga, yun nga, yung mga reason na yan. Okay, so tawag dyan, obsolete na po or old school na. Okay? So, andito na po si Live Good. Ayan. Aside syempre sinabi ko sa inyo na wala na tayong mga those reasons, no? Dito wala tayong product package, wala na tayong overpriced products. Okay? Papakita ko rin sa inyo mamaya. Left and right pairing. Okay, wala na rin tayo niyan. Kailangan bumangga pa para kumita ka. Hindi na po. Di kailangan ibangga. Okay? Ayan. And number 4, monthly maintenance unit level. Wala na rin po tayo niyan. Okay? Tapos mahal pa yung maintenance na yan, no? Sa traditional. Number 5, fifth pair. Talagang kita, pure income po talaga. Wala na tayong ganyan. Alright? And number 6, no, limit. Ito nakaka-excite kasi dito lang namin na-feel, no? Talagang, momentum talaga tuloy-tuloy. Alright, so wala tayong limitations of encoding, unlimited po. Ayan, sa baka may mga kapwa networker tayo dito, no, na kasama right now, no, nagtatago pa. Ayan, or nag-observe, no? So wala na po tayong limit of encoding dito, unlimited, literal. Alright, so di ka na rin matatakot. Okay, kasi wala tayong flash out. Okay, hindi ka na magbo-back to zero dito. Okay, back to zero sa income, no? Ayan. And number 8, lahat po very transparent. Nasa back office po natin. Okay? Wala tayo dito unexplained deductions. Nandun po lahat. And number 9, okay, salungat po ng attrition. High stickability. Okay? Yung tao nag-stay once they see the value of we have here. Alright? So, ayan po. Okay? Aside from that is, syempre, we have these 10 reasons. Okay? So, yung 4 po ay nasa last part. Okay? So, 6 lang muna ngayon. Okay? Gusto mong malaman, so patapusin mo yung presentation. Alright? So, number 1, we have these amazing products, no? So, alam naman natin, no, pag US-based company, so no questions asked yan. Talagang quality sa quality talaga. Alright? And number 2 is incredible yung prices natin dito. Alright? Okay? So, literal talaga as in. Okay? Kasi, syempre, yun, inisip natin pagka amazing quality products, lalo pag US company, mahal, tama. Pero dito, kakaiba po. Kasi club membership po ito. Okay, we offer here wholesale club membership. Alright, kaya later on, makikita nyo, okay, i-share ko rin sa inyo mamaya yung price comparison para makita nyo talaga kung gaano ka ganda, hindi lang sa products and sa pricing ng ating mga products dito, okay? And number 3, no auto shipping. So, hindi ka na dito required na, yan, 3 and number 4, no, required na bumili every single month ng products, no, para mag-qualify ka lang para sa commission or sa rank mo. Hindi na po, okay? Bibili ka kung kailan, kung ano ang gusto mo lang, okay? And number 5, we have this 90 days empty bottle money back guarantee. Ito lang yung company nakita kasi mostly talaga sa iba, 30 days lang. Pero ito matindi, extended pa 90 days. That means within 90 days, no, consume mo yung product, within those days na hindi mo nagustuhan, pwede mong sa uli yung ubusin mo. Okay? Pwede rin yun. Okay? Ayan, tapos pag di mo na-realize mo hindi mo pala gusto, inubos mo pa, no? So, kumbaga, sample lang na hindi mo nagustuhan, so, pwede mong isauli yung lalagyan ng product and no questions asked, ibabalik mo sa inyo yung pera nyo. Okay, ganun tayo confident. Of course, protection din yan ng mga consumer, no? Kasi siyempre baka may time din na baka tumigas yung yung powder ng product dun sa loob, no? So, protection po yan, alright? And number 6, number 1, literal po, no? Literally. Okay, I'm saying this literal talaga, no? Number 1 business to join. Okay, ako na magsasabi sa inyo. So, bakit po? Okay? Actually, you can research naman eh. Okay? You can research. And before, noon una pa, nag-start pa lang yung company talagang nag-create talaga itong ingay. And up until now, no? Ayan. So, you can go to, credible naman yung site yan, Business for Home. Alright? Ayan. Yung Business for Home po, kumbaga, Forbes magazine ng direct selling companies. Right? So nagkaroon po ng poll or voting ang Business for Home wherein thousands po yung nire-record ng mga companies. Pero dito, yung sinali niya lang po dito, I think nag-start ito way back March this year. Right? There are about 750 plus companies in the entire world. Buong mundo po yan. Okay? Na, pinagbobotohan ng tao. Alright? And grabe po, kabago-bago lang ni Live Good, ilang buwan pa lang, I think mga 4 months. Pero matindi. Nag-top 5 po si Live Good that time. Grabe, no? So, grabe pa talaga yung kumbaga, ingay, no? Na-curious din yung iba. Sino ba itong si Live Good? Diba? Bakit, top 5 to? Kasi maraming competitors si Live Good. Imagine mo naman na 750 companies global. Diba? Pero not bad, at least top 5, diba? Kabago-bago lang, diba? Kasi iba 10, 20, 50 years na sa industry. Diba? Pero, we made it to top 5. So that means na there must be something in this company. And hindi lang yan na nagkaroon ulit ng voting. Ayan. The most trusted direct sales company. So, di ba, tayo gusto natin mapapagkatiwalaan. O, di ba? O, the record speaks for itself. Ayan. Kung kanina top 5, ngayon top 2 na po. Ayan. So, dati ko parang sinasabi, no, na kakaiba po talaga yung ginawa ni Live Good and soon, ayan, talagang gagawa talaga to ng, record, no? Record breaking. Ayan, breaking records, I mean. Okay? So sabi pa nga dito, no need to believe what I say, let's see what the people say. Live Good is one of the most trusted company of 2023 and the years to come. Kasi nga, ang ino-offer po ng company ito is value. Okay? Value po talaga. And once nakita ng mga tao, once you see it, you can't unsee it. Okay? So I've always been declaring this since nung una pa talaga na ngayon, nung unang presentation, top 2, yan, magta-top 1 talaga. No doubt yan. And nagkatotoo nga. Grabe po talaga, kinikilabutan tayo, no? Bakit? Nagkaroon ulit ng voting last month lang, November. And kung noong una top 2, sa most trusted ngayon, top direct selling companies, top 1 na po si Live Good. Yes, you heard it right. Even, you can research. Hindi po namin ginagawa-gawa to, Okay? Hindi po namin gawa-gawa to. Okay? Ang tao po, mismo, okay, ang bumoto. Kumbaga sa, sa politics pa, yung tao yung lumuklok sa pwesto, no? Ayan. Di ba? O kung dati, 750, ngayon nadagdagan ng 50 kumpanya. Grabe, no? 800 plus companies. Alright? Di ba? So, ito naman, 2024 for next year. 'di ba? So, grabe po talaga, breaking the records. And, kung sasali ka man sa isang company, doon ka na sa number one, pinagkakatiwalaan, okay, ino-offer yung value, no? Hindi lang yung i-hype ka lang sa kitaan dahil kumita ng, di ba, ganito, di ba? Tingnan mo kung kaya mong gawin, di ba? Kayang gawin ng maraming tao. Alright? And ang in-offer po ni Live Good ay talagang, by far, based on my research and based on my experience, the easiest way and, the most generous talaga na comp plan. Okay? Oh, don't worry yan sa mga bago dito. You can research pa rin. Okay, kaya ng sinabi ko. Okay, ito sinasabi ko lang sa inyo based sa experience ko din and sa nakita ko rin talaga. Okay? Kaya grabe po talaga, no. And right now, syempre mas ipapaliwanag natin kung bakit gano'n na lang yung nangyayari sa company ito. Sobrang ingay sa YouTube, sa Facebook, no, sa TikTok, yan kahit sa social media platforms. Kasi nga again, value po yung ino-offer ng company ito, which is nakita ng sobrang maraming tao. Okay? Ayan. So, yan, ano ba yung mission ni Live Good? Okay? Simple lang pero rock. Okay, to help people get healthy and stay healthy without having to spend a fortune to do it. All right? So simple lang, no? Kasi may iba na, kailangan top 1 tayo, 'di ba? Worldwide. Ito simple talaga, to help people, no? Tulungan tayo magpaka-healthy, stay healthy, na hindi mabubutas yung bulsa natin at hindi masasaktan yung wallet mo. Ayos ba 'yan? All right? Oh, and behind of this mission, no, ang itong mga amazing people, right? So ang ating CEO, no, ayan, one thing din na titingnan nyo pag once na sasali kayo, ito tip, yan, tingnan nyo din yung yung mga tao behind the company, right? Kasi marami ngayon maraming mga gumagawa-gawa ng company, no, yung lang, kumbaga sariling purpose lang, di ba? Una parang okay pa, pero along the way, no, wala, lipad rin, di ba? Mga fly-by-night companies, di ba? Lalo na dito sa atin ngayon, no, ang dami talaga. We're not against that, no. Okay naman yan, pero may iba kasi na yung purpose lang is, pansarili lang. Alright? So ito talaga, nakita ko yung purpose ng ating CEO, yung vision niya, grabe po talaga. Alright? So tingnan nyo po, no? So ito, to give an idea, ang ating CEO po, we have over 20 years, right? 20 years of experience owning and running. Ito highlight ko lang, ha. Owning and running some of the most successful companies. Okay, kasi marami out there na may experience naman sila, pero titinan mo yung rate ng success nila, yun lang. Okay? 'Di ba? Kaya marami talaga, nakikita ko rin talaga yung iba na tayo tapos wala lang din. No? Kawawa po talaga yung mga, lalo na yung mga nag-invest talaga, yung nag-invest ng malaki. Pero ito talaga genuine, no? Kasi kumbaga hindi siya yung bagito, no? Yung yung kakasali lang. Siya mismo nag-start din siya as a reps or distributors and eventually naging company owners. And in fact, no, sabi pa nga niya sa video niya kanina pinakita ko sa inyo, he had over kumbaga na payout na commission over mga almost $1 billion in commission. So ibig sabihin, sobrang dami niya talagang natulungan. And with his records, no, yung mag-research, no, with his records, credibility, okay, may ensure mo, once na ginawa mo to, pang long term, yung success, pang long term negosyo natin dito. Okay? Ganun tayo confident. Ayan. And very hands-on din to, very transparent. Of course, every single week, ayan, siya mismo, ayan, nagbibigay ng numbers, ayan, ng statistics with regards kung nangyari sa atin and mga updates. And siya mismo, no, nagbibigay ng tips and ideas and, konting, yung mga training. Okay? Ayan. So, very hands-on and yung talaga, yung mission na pagtulong talaga is nandyan. Alright? Legit. Okay? And partnered tayo together with our mga product formulator, si Doc Ryan Goodkin and Director of Product Development and Lisa Goodkin. So hindi rin basta-basta, no, kasi may mga degree din po yan. May background in terms sa about sa health, all right? And with regards to mga products, no? And itong ating product formulator, sabi niya nga na he formulate products na not to sell but for his family to use. So, syempre, kung ikaw yung padre di pamilya, di ba? Alam naman, lagyan mo ng nakakasira, no, sa health ng family mo. 'Di ba? So ganun kaganda yung ano natin, yung pagkagawa ng products natin kasi sila mismo tinitake nila, okay? And makikita mo rin talaga sa kanila no na ina-apply nila yung mga tinuturo nila. Sa pagiging healthy. Ayan, all right? So, yan, ito naman ang ating Director of Network Marketing, si Noder Kazan. So, guys, legend na po ito sa industry. Sobrang dami niya rin natulungan and kumbaga, masabi nating icon na, no? Icon, more than pa that. Ayan. So, ganun po. Ayan. Kumbaga itong ating mga company owners kung bakit ganun yung momentum ng ating company kasi just because of these awesome people. All right. So, ngayon let's proceed, no? Ngayon we have over actually mga 18 plus and maladagdagan pa po mga life-changing products. And I'll tell you pag ginamit mo talagang literal life-changing. Okay? Of course, when it terms to your health and wellness, right? And of course, highest quality products, no? Hindi to putyo-putyo lang, no, na kinuha sa mga gilid-gilid, di ba? Mga tiyangge, yung pagkuha ng ingredients, hindi po talaga, no? Kumbaga pinag-aralan, okay? The purest, most natural ingredients from the most pristine locations on the planet and world-class manufacturing facilities. Okay? So hindi po tayo yung gumagawa lang na makagawa lang para may products, hindi po. Okay? Talagang masugid po talaga na well-studied. Okay? Well-studied ang ating mga products dito. Okay? Not just that, made in the USA. So, alam naman natin, pagka US, no questions asked yan. Okay? High quality talaga. And of course, approved by the GMP. Okay? Good manufacturing practice. And to tell you, hindi po lahat inaaprobahan yan. Kasi, rigid or, grabe po yung guidelines, strict guidelines po yung kumbaga, meron sila. Okay? Once na, nag-certify sila ng isang company. Okay? And of course, lab tested for purity and potency. Okay? And ito pang ating mga new products. So actually, meron pa tayong ibang mga bagong products. So hindi lang natin talagay dito. Pero to give an idea, ito mga ating CBD pain relief cream. Kumbaga, yan, sa mga sumasakit yung kasukasuhan. Yan, so goods po yan sa inyo. Ito, collagen peptides, good for hair, nails. Yan, sa gut health. Yan, kasi meron tayong mga exclusive lang or mga patented na mga ingredients, no, like itong Velocitol, Polynol, and Apresflex. Okay, so may kanya-kanya po yan silang purpose, right? And makakatulong din talaga sa health natin. Yan. So ito naman po, energy and focus patches. Yan, from its title itself, no, patch. Okay, nilalagay sa skin natin. Yan, kung hindi ka mapag-focus, kulang ka sa energy, yan, goods po yan sa inyo. And ito naman ang ating sleep patches, yan, from the word sleep. O kung insomnia ka, yan, makakatulong din po yan, no, kung hirap ka matulog. Alright? So, yan po, no, and ito naman po ang ating certificates of analysis. Kaya nagsabi ko sa inyo na of high quality, literal po talaga, kasi ito, inopen po natin, no. And actually, bibihira lang po yung company na nag-o-offer o nag-o-open talaga ng kanyang certificates of analysis. Kasi for transparency yan eh. Okay? Ito matindi sa company natin dito sa Live Good. Ganun tayo ka-confident. Each product of Live Good is tested and approved under a recognized laboratory. Alternative Labs 4740S. Right? So ito pa yung sample, no? Ayan, itong CBD oil. Ayan. Right? So nandyan po, if you know mga chemist, so alam po yan nilang basahin. Okay? Ayan po yung basahin yung nandyan, makasulat. Okay? And according nga sa ating sa ating product formulator si Lisa Goodkin, may isang company, very well-known company, tinanungan niya ng certificates of analysis, hindi daw nila pwede ibigay kasi private daw yun. Okay? O sabi niya na, bakit hindi bibigay na, para insurance yan, kumbaga, assurance yan sa mga, gumagamit kung talagang maganda ba yung products. Kasi nandyan nakikita yung tests ng products. So sa atin, ganun tayo ka-confident. To prove that, you can visit our website, www.livegood.com. Nasa pinakababa, okay? Yan, kung sigurista ka, punta ka doon sa pinakababa, certificates of analysis, nandun po lahat. Okay? You can check on that. Okay? So literal po talaga, highest quality kasi from the selection of ingredients and at the same time from the finished products, tinest po yung mga products natin. Okay? Tested. Ito hindi po gawa-gawa ni Live Good, Ito po ay third party. Ibig sabihin, ibang entity po yung gumagawa ng test. Okay? Ganun po tayo ka-confident. Alright, and our products are also, yan, kagaya ng sinabi ko, GMP certified. Yung GMP, hindi lang isa yung tinitingnan. We have this location, machinery, processing, sanitary, maintenance, and personnel. Okay, so mahigpit po talaga, no? Kaya hindi lahat na-aprobahan ng GMP. Okay? Not just that, we also have this caffeine-free, cruelty-free, gluten-free, soy-free, third-party lab-tested. Yun yung certificates of analysis. 100% vegan, GMP certified, keto-friendly, non-GMO, nut-free, sugar-free, and USDA organic. Okay? It only means na of high quality, organic, and at the same time, wala pong pesticide, insecticide, herbicide, or even yeast, molds, or even mga heavy metals, no? Ayan, like lead, mercury, ayan, or any other, metals na, pwedeng, pag tinik natin, pwedeng makano tuloy sa atin, makasama sa kalusugan natin. So, high quality. Ang in-offer natin dito, of quality and organic, no? Ayan, organic yung mga products dito. Ayan, alright. And we have wellness for all. Ayan. So, alam naman natin na iba-iba yung pangailangan natin, like itong men's and women's, no? Iba-iba yung physiological needs natin. We also have this nutrition, skincare, body cleansing, anti-aging, immunity, weight management, and energy. Okay? So, it only means, syempre, na kung anong kailangan mo, no? Ano yung gusto mo para sa health mo, yan, mag-improve. So, pwede mong ibili dito. Okay? Anytime, anywhere. Alright? And ang maganda nito kasi madadagdagan pa po yan in few years to come. And kahit iba't ibang industry, no, kaya nating pasukin. Kasi nga, this is a club membership. Okay? In-offer natin dito is value. Okay? Value and affordability. Ayan. And itatouch din natin yung mga, yung solar panels, yung mga blower, 'di ba, na nakakatulong sa health natin, 'di ba? Yung tinututok sa katawan. Ayan, tapos yung mga ticketing like airline, no, sa hotel, right? Yung mga cleaning products and many more, okay? But right now, syempre nagsimula tayo sa most advanced nutritional or supplement products. Okay, kasi yun yung mas kinakailangan ng tao ngayon. Alright? So, ganun po siya. And, ngayon, how do I order products? Yan, you can order as a consumer or member. Pag consumer ka, you pay retail low prices. Pero nag-member ka, you pay much lower prices. Okay? So, itong sobrang na-appreciate ko din talaga, no? Literal. Kasi may iba na, sinasabi nila na sila, na global. Ayan, global sila. Pero mostly mga Pilipino lang din. Okay, pero literal talaga, no? Live Good is available in over 200 plus countries. Okay, ibig sabihin lang yan, na in 200 plus countries, matatanggap natin yung products once na mag-order tayo. Magagawa natin ng business, and at the same time, kung nasang bansa ka man, nakapag-payout ka sa currency ng kung saang bansa ka. Diba? So, sobrang appreciate ko to, no? Kasi grabe dati sa amin, no, pahirapan pa. Pero dito, talagang hinanda na. Before pa i-launch ng ating company owner yung si Live Good, hinanda na para sa'yo. Ang gagawin mo na lang is tatrabahuin. Okay? Ikaw na magde-decide magkano kikitain mo dito. Trabahuin mo lang. Okay? Ayos ba? Ayan. So, ganun po siya. And, ayan, pag nag-member tayo, we save up to 75%. Okay, hindi yan discounted. 75% masasave mo compared to products in other direct selling or network marketing companies. Okay, so to give an analogy, ayan, this is not to bash other companies. We love the industry, pero we have to tell the truth, diba? Okay, and the truth shall set us free, diba? Ito kasi yan, alam naman natin yung story ni David and Goliath, diba? So, si David, pinatumban niya si Goliath with just one stone. Okay? Ayan. Si Goliath, siya po nagre-represent as yung mga price gouging MLMs. Tayo po si David, ayan, si Live Good. Yung mga price gouging MLMs, yung mga gigantic, yung matatagal na. Okay? And basta yung mga, mga companies na jack up ng price, 10, 12 to 14, iba nga 20 times sa mga products nila compared sa pagkagawa sa factory. Actually, kailangan nilang gawin yun kasi doon kinukuha yung commission ng mga distributor, ayan, kita ng mga top earners, ayan, sweldo sa mga empleyado, country manager, and even bayad sa mga events, no? Diyan yan kinukuha. And even pag may artista, nako, artista, mga billboard, promotions, yan, online. Ayan, yung mga advertising, lahat-lahat. And even earnings, yan, kita ng company owners, diyan po kinukuha sa products. Alright? Well, ano po yung actually okay naman yan kasi of course, maraming pinayaman dyan. Okay, pero if you look at the statistics, according sa ating CEO, alright, kahit mag-research ka, no, yan, 95%, pag ganun yung konsepto, make little or no money. Diba? Kasi yung reason kung bakit diba tayo nag-engage sa ganito, kasi gusto natin kumita ng extra. Pero dahil nga, syempre, mahal na yung products, kahit sila, hirap sila i-maintain, okay? Iba na expire pa yung products, okay? Ang nangyayari is that, yun nga, 95% talaga, hirap, okay? And 1% lang yung kumikita talaga. Okay? Less than 1% ang kumikita ng, ng 6 figures per month. Diba? So, yun yung sad reality. Kasi yung industry na to, this was created, to help those everyday people para magkaroon ng extra. Okay? And bonus na lang yung pag winner, pagka kinarir mo talaga, yayamang ka. Alright? Diba? But since, in almost, in the decade, century, almost 100 years, hindi na bago yung business model. Ganun talaga, price gouging. Alright? And yun nga, kagaya ng sabi ko, 2.8 months or 3 months lang, nag-quit yung tao. Okay? Kasi ganun nga. Okay? Hirap sila ibenta, and even sila, hirap din sila maintenance. Even those top earners, no? Sabi natin siya, even those top earners, hirap sila i-keep yung team. Kasi ganun nga eh. Okay? Kaya ngayon, may ito na po si Live Good, binago na po. And in fact, sabihin ko na sa inyo yun, halos ipamigay na yung mga natin, yung products natin eh. Okay? May kita ng company pero katiting na lang. 'Di ba? Katiting na lang talaga para ma-fulfill yung mission natin, matulungan yung mga tao maging healthy. Legit, okay? Kaya sabi man ni Noder, ang ating Director of Network Marketing, the days of selling overpriced products so a few people at the top of a compensation plan can get rich are over. Tapos na po ang maliligayang araw nila. So kung hindi sila mag-adjust, lalo na sa atin ngayon, nagbabago na yung panahon, people now are nagiging wise na, di ba? Mas hinahanap nila yung affordability and of course value, no? Ayan, kaya wala talaga, unti-unti nang papahinain, patumbahin yung mga nagpapatong, no? Ng pagkalaki-laki sa mga products. Yan, yung mga companies na yan. Yeah, kasi may iba din, i-hype tayo na, hindi, mahal daw to kasi high quality. Yan, pero sa totoo, mahal pala talaga kasi doon kinuha yung commission. Okay? Pero dito, I'll tell you, hindi na po yung ginawa ni Live Good. Okay? Yan, kaya talaga, umiwalay talaga, ng landas si Live Good. And kung bakit, sabihin ko na kumbaga parang sabog talaga, okay, yung nangyayari dito sa Live Good kasi value po in-offer niya. Value. Like this one, price comparison tayo. Ayan. Itong CBD oil. Yan. Hot selling po ito sa US and sa atin, yet to be accepted pa lang. So, pinag-usapan pa lang yan. Kasi maraming benefits din kasi yan eh. Okay? Pang reduce ng anxiety, ng stress, and sa may mga cancer, hirap din matulog, and many more. You can research about that, Yan. Binibenta sa ibang company to, 500 mg, around $80 to $90. Okay? And mag-convert yan. Sa atin magkano? 750 mg. And actually, ito hindi ko pa napalitan, Hindi po yan 18 na. Because what we offer here is value and club membership po. Kaya po nating ibaba. Okay? Ibaba. Pababain yung presyo. Okay? 750 mg. 50% much stronger. At a cost of, pag nag-member ka, 14.95. Yes, you heard it right. Imagine mo, magkano tinipid mo? 80%, 80+%. Kaya grabe talaga, Kaya, pricing pa lang, tapos sa yung boxing. Kaya, marami talaga, pag nakita yung value, lalo na sa US, sobrang dami talagang, nagjo-join, lumilipat talaga si Live Good. Kasi, imagine mo, ilan na CBD mabibili mo dito? Quality, no questions asked yan. Ayan, pinakita naman certificates of analysis. And of course, the pricing, mas lalo. Di ba? O, ano pa itong super greens? Okay? O, ito. Binibenta sa iba yung similar ingredients, I believe mas maganda yung sa atin, okay, dito sa Live Good. 70 to 100%, $100, okay? $100 yung benta sa ibang company. Sa atin magkano? 18, right? $18. Grabe talaga, nakaka-kanister pa yan, no? Kaya no wonder, even dito sa atin, sa Pilipinas, no? Lalo tayo, syempre, opportunity grabber, mostly, no? Di ba? Right now, grabe talaga, no? Grabe yung ginawa ng company ito. Yan, itong collagen peptides, sa iba binebenta ng $70 to $80. Yan, yung collagen nila. Sa atin magkano? 27.95. Okay? O, itong sleep patches. O, yan, sa iba binebenta magkano? $40 to $70. Sa atin 14.95. Diba? So, ito, no, diba, kumbaga, no-brainer eh. Diba, kung ikaw kahit sa panahon ngayon eh, kung ikaw papapiliin, eh dito ka na. Quality na, affordable pa. Diba? So, naging wise na talaga yung mga tao, no? Naging wise na talaga right daw. Kumbaga, mas hinanap natin yung, makalas tayo, pero of course, quality pa rin. Diba? So, ganun po yung ino-offer natin dito. And yung kanina, kumbaga, comparison sa ibang company, ito naman, comparison, okay, sa price natin, okay, member and retail price. Itong multivitamins natin, we have two for women and for men, no? So, retail price 7.95, nag-member ka, 9.95, mga around 565, 70 pesos, 60 capsules, high quality. Grabe, no? Ganon kalupit, alright? Oh, ito naman, ating organic coffee. Sa iba, binibenta 28.95. I mean, ang retail natin, hindi pa sa'yo. 28.95, benta natin sa retail and members price, 17.95. Yan. So, di ka rin mahilab niyan. And, yan, good for yan for sa mga nag-manage ng weight nila. Alright? And complete plant-based protein. And retail price, $34. And pag nang-member ka, $22. So, malaki yan, guys, no? Sa mga nagbe-build ng muscles, ayan, mga nag-gym. So, goods din po yan. Okay? Ayan. So, ito, to tell you, there's evolution of all businesses. Okay? Ayan. So, example na lang nito is, di ba dati, pag-access natin information, yan, through newspaper, eventually naging radio, TV, and right now, sobrang dami nating gadget, laptop, di ba, mga iPad, smartphone, isang tap lang natin, andyan na kagad yung information na kailangan natin, di ba? O, ito naman yung natin pagbibili, barter, eventually naging market, supermarket, and right now, online na, kahit nasa bahay ka, matatanggap mo na yung ino-order mo, like, dyan na yung marami, no, Amazon, eBay, Alibaba, sa atin naman Shopee, Lazada, TikTok Shop. Okay? Ayan. So marami pa, no? Same din sa business model. Kaya nasabi ko sa inyo, no, na 100 years, hindi talaga nagbago. Medyo merong mga tweak, pero pa rin, kumbaga same story. Like this one, old multi-level system, yung breakaway system, yung pinakauna talaga, no? Nag-evolve binary at multiple heads, and left and right pairing. So paramihan ng accounts para mas malaki income, di ba? No, hybrid binary multi-level system. No, kumbaga same pa rin, may iba one account, multiple accounts. Ayan, tapos stair step, unilevel. Kumbaga pinaghalo-halo na. Pero again, same story. Almost 100 years pero hindi pa rin nabago. Price gouging pa rin. Okay? Price gouging, which is doon talaga nagsimula yung pahirap. Okay? And the best part nito kasi bakit? Andito na po si LiveGood. Affiliate marketing with subscription that pays. Okay? So, complete evolution talaga siya, no? As in, hindi na tayo nag-price gouge and yung mga traditional na sinabi ko sa inyo kanina, wala na tayo nun. Alright? So, complete evolution talaga. So, yung iba, pag hindi sila mag-adapt, hindi sila mag-evolve. Ayan, sabi pa niya, if you don't evolve, you dissolve, you evolve, or you evaporate. Diba? So, alam naman natin, no, lalo ng pandemic, ayaw na tayo nun. Yung mga hindi nakapag-adapt online, nangyari, completely closed. And some other companies, no, kahit hindi pa pandemic, unang-una talaga. Nokia, Kodak. Ano nangyari? Nokia, di ba? Na dumating yung mga touchscreen, iPhone, Samsung. Di ba? Saan yung Nokia ngayon? Actually, nag-exist pa, pero hindi na well-known. Unlike nung dati. Yung Kodak, yan, dumating yung mga digital cameras, hindi rin nakakapag-adapt. Di ba? So, sa ibang companies, wala yung magagawa dyan. So, decision nila yan. Okay? Pag di sila mag-adapt, talagang hina talaga. Okay? Kasi ang tao, wais na ngayon. Okay? Nag-research na. Diba? Everything is online. Andyan na mare-research na. Okay? Ayan. So, anong in-offer natin dito? Simple lang, subscription. Yan. Ito po yung concept natin, affiliate marketing with subscription. But, it pays. Okay? Ayan, that pays. Yan. Ano ba yung subscription? So, simple lang natin, no? It is a recurring revenue model in which customer pay weekly, monthly, or yearly. Anong kapalit? Products or services. Yan. So, customers can renew their subscription after a certain period of time. One good example nito is, siguro na, tayo naman lahat meron mga SIM card, no? Alam niyo ba ibig sabihin ng SIM card? SIM, sa SIM. Subscribers Identity Module. Di ba nagpapaload tayo? Meron dyan unique number. No, once nagpapaload tayo, syempre, hindi na pupunta sa iba, sa atin lang. Tama. Unique yan sa'yo. Okay? And syempre, nire-register natin mga combo, 1 day, 3, 7, 30 days. Okay? Sa mga prepaid, no, subscriber. So, tawag sa atin is, yun, subscriber. Okay? Yan. Even yung mga, mga cable, ayan, yung internet, yan, subscription na rin po yan. Di ba, nagbabayad tayo monthly? Or iba yearly. Yan, kuryente, tubig. Di ba? Oh, subscription na rin po yan kasi na-enjoy natin yung benefits na ino-offer nila. Okay? So, why is it important? Because we enjoy the benefits of the subscription. Diba? Iba gusto natin yung benefits. Yung benefits na ino-offer ng mga companies na yun. And increase customer loyalty and strong customer base. Okay? So, yung tao nag-stay kasi siyempre, nakita yung value. Okay? Diba? Sino ba naman sa atin dito gusto mawalan ng internet, ng kuryente, tubig, diba? So, wala naman, diba? O, kaya yung tao talaga, sa ayaw sa gusto, mag-stay talaga kasi kailangan eh. Diba? Lalo sa panahon ngayon. Okay, ano yung advantage niya? It lowers the barrier to entry for products and services and allow more potential customers to purchase your product. So, again, kasi nga hindi na masyadong pinagkakitaan yung products or services. So, bumabawi sa subscription. Kaya, marami yung nag-stay talaga. Okay? So, ano yung mga popular membership? Ayan, sample ito, Amazon Prime. O, kung gusto makapanood ng movies, unlimited, Amazon Prime, Netflix, Disney+, monthly or yearly din po yung nagbabayad. And, ano pa, itong Sam's Club, Costco, kung gusto mo karoon ng discount, yan, sa mga products nila sa loob ng establishments nila or sa online. Nagbabayad ka monthly or even yearly. But to tell you, no, ito successful na sila ha. Marami ng members, millions, hundreds of millions na. Okay? Pero, ayan. Okay? Ito naman yung ito before tayo pumunta doon, no. Ito yung mga iba pang mga popular na mga membership. Yan, like itong streaming services, HBO Go, Amazon Prime, Apple TV, and many more. Itong gym naman, no, para ma-access mo yung mga facilities sa loob ng gym, magbabayad ka monthly. Okay? O, magbabayad ka monthly. Di ba? Tapos, yan, ito naman mga insurance. Yan, insurance, mga security plans. Yan, St. Peter. Yan, I'm not saying na hindi importante. Of course, importante din. Diba? Pero ito nga, di ba, nagbabayad ka monthly. Di ba? Kailangan mo may benefits pag, may nangyari or may natsugi na. Di ba? O, to tell you, may mga companies na sinabi ko sa inyo kanina, babayad ka nga doon, enjoy mo yung benefits, but wala pong kita na binabalik yan sa iyo. Okay? And we are proud to say na si Live Good lang po ang membership that pays. Di ba? O, same concept. Okay? So, gaano ba kalaki ang industry ng subscription? Take for example, itong Netflix. Alam niyo ba last year, no? Last year, 2022, ang amount ng nakuha nilang revenue, umabot ng 31.6 billion US dollars. We're talking here about US, no? US dollars and billions. Ganun kalaki, di ba? May mga nagbabayad ng subscription, di na feel 300, 500 pesos lang. Di ba? O, ito namang Zoom. Itong Zoom, of course, enjoy natin yung benefits. Yan na dito tayo, unlimited tayo nag-uusap dito. Okay? Yan. Pero wala tayong earnings dyan. Okay? O, yung revenue ni Zoom, palaki ng palaki. Di ba? Number speaks for itself. Tingnan naman, 2018 to last year. Palaki ng palaki. Amazon Prime, pag gusto mo makapanood ng mga movies, no? Yan, sa subscription fees pa lang, binabayaran ng tao monthly. Magkano kinita nila? 25.21 billion. And yung Costco, tingnan naman yung trend, pataas, palaki ng palaki. Grabe, no? Ito po yung nakita ng ating CEO. Kung bakit sana mag-retire na siya, bumalik siya kasi nakita niya yung mga, most of the companies are going the wrong direction. Okay? And gusto niya, fix the industry. Alright? He wants to fix the industry. Okay? So, ito, nakita niyo po, no, yung itong Costco. Diba? So, pag gusto mo maka-avail ng mga discounted products, pa-member ka monthly or yearly. Okay? Grabe. So, ganun ka-effective. Iba yung revenue nila, palaki ng palaki. Kasi ang tao nag-stay, kasi nag-i ng value. But to tell you again, malaki revenue nila, pero wala silang kita na binabalik sa mga members nila. Okay, pero ito tanong, what if may company, same club membership or subscription, pero this time naman, bibigyan ka naman ng dividend or share. Yan. Gusto mo bang malaman ito? Ayan, yun yung tanong. Yan, pag gusto mong malaman, now, here's another question. Would you like to earn? Yan, would you like to earn up to $2,000 or more? Ayan, or more per month. Okay, for those interested in earning with Live Good, stay for the second part of the presentation. Yan, kasi dito natin pag-uusapan ano yung benefits ng mga komo dito once na maging affiliate member ka and paano maximize yan ang ating complan dito. Yan, alright. So, now we also give you the opportunity to earn income with the most exciting compensation plan in the industry. By far, no? By far sa nakikita ko talaga, very exciting, no? Very exciting talaga, very lucrative and of course, yan, very generous. Okay? So, para mas maintindihan mo, tune in ka, I want you to focus on this one. Okay? Kung gusto mo talaga magkaroon ng break, lalo by next year, no? If you're praying for an opportunity, baka ito na yun. Kaya pakinggan mo, tapusin mo ang presentation na to. Okay? So, how to become an affiliate member? Simple lang, balikan mo yung sponsor mo o yung taong nag-invite sa'yo, hingin mo yung link niya, and you pay one time $49.95 on your first month. That will be around mga $2,850 hanggang $2,900 plus. Okay? O less than 3,000. Okay? Ayan, depende kung saan tayo na-register. Okay? So, pag yan nag-monthly, and in the following month, ang babayan mo na lang as your subscription, okay, is only $9.95 per month. Mga around 585 pesos. Ganon. But if I were you, kung gusto mo makatipid, pwede ka mag-yearly. Okay? Yung yearly po mga around mga 8,000 plus pesos lang. Okay? 8,190. Parang ganon. Okay? Oh. So, yun lang yung ano mo, yun lang yung babayaran mo and paid ka na for the whole year. Maganda nun kasi nakatipid ka ng 2 months. Alright? So, what do I get with the $49.95? Access to membership club. Right? So, dito, baka nagtatanong, meron ba akong physical products niyan? So, wala po kasi club membership po ito eh. Okay? Kagaya ng Costco, sa atin, Landers, S&R. Yan. Hindi ka makapasok sa establishments nila pag di ka member. Hindi ka makakabili ng products sila. Same din dito. So, kailangan mo munang maging club member, maging affiliate member, should I say. Ayan, para makuha mo yung mga products natin na almost factory price. Okay? So, kaya mura siya kasi membership. Hiwalay po yung products dito at saka membership. Okay? Kaya unang benefits mo dito, yun nga, access to membership club. Lahat ng mga products natin and soon mga services, ma-access mo. Digital marketing products. Ayan, so lahat online na. And also, you can participate in the compensation plan. Yan, yung ating kitaan, alright? Which is, of course, exciting. And not just that, pag nagsimula ka dito, provided na sa iyo mga website. Not just 1, 2, 3, but 5 websites. Alright? Ito po yung provided na website ng company sa iyo. Ito na yung isa sa mga, part ng, of course, binabayaran din natin monthly. Di ba? Grabe, ang ganda. And I think talagang, yung maintenance ito, kamahal. Okay, pero kasama na siya sa binabayaran natin. Provided na ng company like retail site. Gusto mo magbenta, send ka lang ng link mo. Okay? Powerline landing page, dyan tayo nagpapa-member. Okay, nandyan din yung ating video ng ating CEO. Corporate site. Okay, about sa company. And not just that, dadagdagan pa. And madadagdagan pa. Okay? Yan, ito ang ating super greens and super reds. So, nandyan po yung video explainer and pag gusto na mag-order, nasa baba po, mag-order sila. O, ganun. Grabe, no? Website pa lang, panalo ka na. Di ba? Ang ganda. Di ba? Ganda ng paggawa. Talagang pinag-isipan. Alright? And ito naman, the compensation plan structure will be powered by a powerful unilevel and a forced matrix. So, dalawa na lang. Wala tayong left and right pairing system dito. Okay? Dalawa na lang. Powerful unilevel and forced matrix. Alright? So, we have these 7 ways to earn. Yan. So, isa-isayin natin na we have this weekly fast start, retail commissions, influencer bonuses, diamond bonus pool, and crown diamond bonus pool. Yan po yung sa unilevel. And sa matrix naman, to matrix commissions, and itong matching, okay? So, ano po yan sila? Kumbaga, hybrid combine. Okay? So, isa-isayin natin pa di ka malito. So, we have this weekly fast start. Yan. Bonus up to 10 levels deep. So, simple lang nito. Simple lang po. Every time may refer ka, sa layman's term, direct referral, may na-refer ka, kalahati ng 49.95, kakaroon ka. O, ni-round off, $25. Imagine mo, $25 each person. Kada may mapapajoin ka. Diba? Ang matindi nun kasi infinite wide. Infinite wide, that means na, unlimited yung pwede mong sponsor. And pag nag-rank up ka pa, which is na-attain mo yan pagka lumalaki na yung team mo, to 10 levels deep. Grabe, no? Okay? So, ngayon, ito naman po yung sample computation ng ating fast start. Alright? Oo. And ito sabihin ko na sa inyo ngayon pa lang, this part alone can easily beat other Complan designs. Matindi. Okay, ito sample, no? Power of 5. Kasi, ang gaan dalhin ang gaan i-share. Kaya naman siguro power of 5, di ba? Mag-share ka lang. Okay? O ngayon, power of 5 tayo. Ngayon, nakapag-refer ka ng 5. Ang kinita mo dyan, $125. Yung 5 mo, nag-refer ulit 25. Ang kinita mo naman, $5. Kaya isa, 125 pa rin. O, bronze ka niyan. Pag nag-silver ka, okay, yan. Level 3 ka na, level 3 and 4. 125, ang kinita mo dyan is $312.5. Level 4, 625. $2.5 ulit, tigisa. $1,562.5. Yan. Hanggang level 3, hanggang level 10, no? Pag nag-diamond ka, assuming level 10, talagang, nag-refer, marami talaga. Darating yung time, 3 to 5 years, o kahit 10 years pa, no? 10 years, $6.1 million. That is dollars, mga, yan, mga ma'am and sir. $6 million. And that is, mangyayari talaga na hindi ka lang 7, 8 figure earner, 9 figure earner. That is 349 million pesos. Grabe, imagine mo, ito pa lang, Spark alone. Diba? Kasi may iba na, syempre, nilagay nila yung, nila, potential income. Pero ito, grabe. Grabe, no? Yan yung pwede mong kitain. No, kahit na lang 10% na lang dyan. Yan, 34 million. O kahit 1% nga 3M, sulit pa rin ba? Sulit pa rin. Okay? And so ito naman, power of 30. Okay na, 5. Siyempre, mas masipag, di ba? Masipag sa atin, sa team natin. So power of 30. Let's say, o ikaw nag-30 ka within 5 years, 30 lang. Okay? 750 kita mo. 30, nag-duplicate din 30, 900, 4,500. Nag-duplicate up to level 4, $2,025. I mean, $2,025,000. Alright? So, all in all, total, that is 2.97. Okay? $2.097. That is, yan, hindi ka pa rin 7-8 figures. Still 9 figures pa rin. Diba? Kasi kung, ayan, ni-level 4 ko na lang kasi pag, ko pa, level 5 to 10, ako malulula ka na. Okay? Malilito ka na. Ma-overwhelm. Okay? Ganun kalaki. Imagine mo, pag ginagawa mo lang to nagre-refer ka lang, nag-share ka lang. Ganun yung pwede mong kitain. Okay? Kaya mas maganda, trabahuin talaga. Yan. Sa mga nagsimula dito, trabaho ka lang. Share ka lang. Kasi ang laki naghihintay dito sa'yo. Okay? So, paano mag-rank up? Bronze up to second level. Ang hirap. Ganun kahirap. 2 tao lang. Di ba? Imagine mo, 2 tao lang. Rank up ka na to bronze. ROI ka pa. Di ba? Okay, tapos ito naman silver. Ayan, dito wala tayong back to zero ha. Yung sabi ko. Yung kanina, yung dalawa mo, ika-count lang yung towards your 20. Ayan, 20 directs, di ba? 20 directs. Ayan, sa 20 directs mo, kakaroon ka na, ayan, pag po-promote ka silver rank. Okay? Tapos, pwede naman yung, pangalawang way, which is 10 directs plus team of 20, or the other way is 3 bronze, pwedeng 3 of your direct, or sa line nila, may nag-bronze team of 20, silver rank ka na. Pag gold naman, and up to 6th level na. Ayan, simple lang, 30 directs plus team of 100, okay, or 3 directs, silver plus team of 100, or pangatlo is, 4 of your directs, may tigta 30 yung tatlo, yung isa naman, may 10, team of 100, gold rank ka na. Ayan, platinum naman, up to 8th level, ayan, 100 directs, plus team of 500. Okay? Ayan, or di kaya 3 of your directs na gold, plus team of 500, yan, platinum ka na. Or 4 of your directs, yung tatlo, may tigo 150 total, team isa may 50, 500, yan, platinum ka na. So naman diamond up to 10th level, 3 of your directs, pinag-platinum, okay? Or pwede sa line nila, may nag-platinum, team of 2, 5, yan, diamond ka na. Or pwede rin pangalawa, Ayan, tiga 500. Lima na ano mo, na direct mo, tiga 500. Pwede rin 10. May tig 250. O, 2.5. Ayan, diamond ka na. Okay, Crown Diamond naman, currently the highest position or rank. Yan, team of 50,000. Yan. So, simple lang, 5 of your legs, each leg is may tig 10,000 na total team. Okay? Ayan. O pwede rin na, no? Pwede 10, tig 5,000. So, mas marami directs, mas malaki yung chance. Okay? So, ganun lang po yun. Yan yung Crown Diamond. So, of course, tayo mapunta dyan. Ito naman yung 2x15 matrix. Kung kanina weekly, ngayon naman monthly commission. So, ito siya, multiple of 2 lang. Ikaw, times 2 ka lang, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64. Pababa, up to 15th level. Okay? Ngayon, may na-refer ka man o wala, basta may mga tao under you, nagsusubscribe. Under you ha, nagsusubscribe sila. Bibigyan ka po ng 0.25 cents from each active member. Okay? Medyo maliit, no? Pero wag ka, pag dumami yan, grabe. Okay? So, paano ba na pinupuno yung matrix? Simple lang, di ba ikaw nasa taas? Kung wala ka pang assuming na wala ka pang na-refer, wala ka pang na-invite, okay, may malakas yung nasa taas mo, yan. Mayroon sa'yo is, lalagyan ka muna sa left. Ayan, malalagyan ka sa left, and next naman, sa right. Ganun po. Tapos, wala ka pa rin na-refer, no? Or kung may ma-refer ka man, ilalagay po yan dito sa left ng level 1 mo. Ayan, lahat yan. Tapos, next naman dito sa right. Ayan, left lahat, tas right, left, right. Ayan, pababa. Okay, so ito po yung corresponding na pwedeng kitain. Okay, so wala tayong choice dito lahat, no? Lahat maglalagyan ng tigda-dalawa. Tigda-dalawa. Alright, so yung 2x15 matrix monthly commission, so ito, pag unrank ka, ibig sabihin, isa, or you have no invites at all, so 1 to 12 level. Yan, yung maximum ha. So 8,190 yan katao. And pag minultiply mo 0.25 cents, that is $2,047.50. Okay? Ganon po yung, ganon po yung pwede mong kitain maximum. Okay, pag mapuno yung matrix mo. Coach, kailan ba mapupuno yan? Depende. It may take 1, 2, 3, even 5 years. Kung ano ka, tutulong ka, mas bibilis. Alright? Oh. Pero kahit ano pa, yung goal lang naman malagyan ng tigdadalawa lahat eh. Okay? So yan po. And pag nag-rank up ka pa, bronze, silver, gold, platinum, and diamond, 4,095.50, 13. 14 na yan. 8,191.50 and level 15, 16,000. Maximum pag nag-diamond ka. Okay? Yan. Tapos, is it worth it? Ayan. Sa mga naghihintay, happy subscriber. Ayan. Kasi yung mga talaga natin mapigilan yung mga happy subscriber. Pero for the sake no na, of course, hindi ko naman encourage na maghintay na lang kayo. For the sake na, alagaan nyo yung subscription nyo, unawain nyo yung negosyo. Ayan. Ito po. Ayan. So, ikaw yan, di ba? Ayan. Ayan. Itong isang, right column. Ayan. Meron kang sa team mo. Sabihin natin na puno yan. 8,190. Ito tell you, pag first to fourth level, binukikita mo dyan, $0.50 to $8 per month. So, hindi pa yun enough para bayaran yung 9.95 na subscription mo. Pero pag umabot yung 5th to 12 level, minimum kikita mo dyan is $16 max. Okay? $2,047.50. Yan, yun yung maximum. And enough na po yan para bayaran yung monthly subscription mo. And matindi, you're now in profits levels. Kumikita ka na po. O, scenario. Sabihin natin 1 year. 1 year na puno yung lahat, 8,190. Ang ginastos mo, 6,784. Yan, okay lang ba? Yan, okay lang ba sa'yo? Or worth it ba? Ayan, 6,000 versus 113,000 monthly. Worth it? Yes. Diba? Imagine mo, compare mo yan. Kasi monthly na yan eh. Ito naman, 3 years, sabihin na 3 years. Sa 3 years, ginastos mo 20,972. Okay? Tapos after 3 years, dun ka pa kumita 113. Sulit pa rin ba? Yes! 113 is 113. Okay. O, ito naman is 5 years. Sa 5 years na yan, ang ginastos mo, 33,620. Tapos dun ka pa, kumita ng 113,000. Sulit pa rin ba? At ito, even ito, di ko lang nilagay, no? Even 10 years. 10 years, ha? 10 years. Kano gagastusin mo? Kano gagastusin? 60,000 plus. Okay? Ayan. Pero to tell you, yung 6,000, 20, and 33,000. Okay? Dito po yung kinukuha. 5th to 12 level. Okay? Kasi hindi naman hihintayin na, na mapuno yan before kabayaran ng commission. Basta may tao dyan, whether isa, dalawa, 10, 50, sa may tao dyan, bibigyan ka ng commission sa matrix. Okay? Kaya nangyayari, para sa pay mechanism na siya. Okay? Sino babayad sarili niya? Okay? Ikaw, ano na, pensyonado. Di ba? O, bakit kailangan mag-refer kaysa maghintay lang? Wait for spillover. O ito, bigyan kayo ng idea. Pag nag-refer ka, weekly siya. O, $25. Okay? Pero pag naghintay ka lang, ilang spillover ang kailangan? 100 para kumita ng $25. So, kailangan mo munang mapuno yung level 6. Level 1 to 6, yan, na may 38 people. O, 100 people lahat. Okay? O, so, di ba, why focus on that thing? Di ba? Pwede mo naman ikaw nang gumawa at mas bumilis ka kumita. Okay? O, ito naman, dalawang referral, weekly din binibigay. $50. Okay? Itong spillover monthly binibigay. Okay? Pero para kumita $50, kailangan mo munang punuin yung 7th level. So, 74. Okay? Ganon ka, lupit. Okay? Kaya, if I were you, ganda, workout mo na lang. Para weekly ka pa kumikita, separate ng monthly at weekly. Alright? Ito naman, matching bonus. Up to 5 generations deep. Okay? Matching bonus, hindi nito yung left and right pairing, ha? Kumbaga, matching bonus sa 50% from what your directs earn every month of their matrix. O ito, sampulan natin. Si Pedro, kumita $1,000. May 500 ka. Si Juan, kumita $500. May 250 ka. O si Maria, kumita ng $100. May 50 ka. O si Marites, kumita ng $200. May 100 ka. So, infinite wide yan. Okay? Unlimited. Okay? Kaya grabe talaga. Ito matching talaga may pinakamalaking kitaan. Okay? Ito pa, generations. Ang ibig sabihin lang yan is, pag may nag-rank up sa team mo ng mga directs mo, meron kang, meron kang commission. Example, diamond ka na. Ako, pa lang ako. Yan. Sabihin ng gold. May dal kang platinum. Okay? O, meron kang 5-3%. Okay? Yan. Fourth generation. First generation, ayan, gold, platinum, yan, diamond. Okay? So, ibig sabihin na basta, under sa team mo, pati sa mga directs dyan, sa lahat ng directs, may kikitain ka doon. Okay? So, ito sample, no? Ayan, direct sponsor mo, 10 directs plus team of 10. Yan, $50 lang kada sa matching. O, 500 ka pa rin. Okay? O, ito naman, directs silver, 10. 100. O, $10, 1,000. Imagine mo, no? Pag nag-rank up yan, up to diamond, lumalaki na yung organization mo. Okay? Tapos, syempre, dami talaga sumasali, dito yung total ng pinikitain. Ikaw na mag-compute, $39,000. Grabe. O ito, bakit namin encourage na isali yung family nyo? Okay, kasi ito kasi yun. Ayan. Pag sinali nyo yung family mo, at least dalawa, bronze ka na. Maximum ng bronze is 4,095.50. Okay? And ngayon, yung total your family member na, pina-join mo, $4,095 ang kikita nila. Kasi, tig 2,047 sila dalawa from income from Matrix. So, ngayon, may matching ka sa kanila. 2,047.50. And 50% matching bonus from 2 directs. So, total income as bronze is 573,1028. Or 500,000 every single month. That is month after month after month after month after month. Okay? Ayan, nakuha nyo po. Ayan, ganun po yan. Tapos ngayon, if I were you, workout mo na lang. Mag-direct ka ng 20. May direct referral. So ngayon, yung 20 direct referral mo, okay, yan, 2,047.50. Yung kung sila, happy subscriber lang. Pag napunin matrix nila, happy subscriber, 2,047.50. Maximum pwedeng kitain. Okay? Ayan. So ngayon, may matching ka sa kanila, tama. 1,023.75, 50%. Okay? So, kikitain mo lahat is 20,475. Okay? That is 1.1 million every single month. That is month after month after month after month after month. Tindi, no? Okay? So, ito naman, ayan, 30 directs. Yan. So, 30 directs mo naman, di ba, workout mo, 6,000 in earnings per month. Pag bronze, okay? Yan. Tapos, 3,000, 50% matching bonus per direct. Okay? So, $90,000. That is 5 million every single month. Okay? Oh, pero ito yung vision, guys. Vision. Okay? Yung vision natin dito is 100 solid direct referral. Ayan. Solid direct referral mo is maximum kikitain mo pag napuno yung matrix nila, yung mga diamonds mo, 16,383.50. Ayan. So ngayon, yung ano mo, yung 50% matching mo per direct is 8,000 plus. So in all, 819,175. That is 45 million yan, in peso. Every single month, after month, after month, after month, after month. Okay? Ganon ka. Imagine mo, kahit 5 million yan yung budget mo, every month, di na uubos. Okay? Or yan yung inuubos mo, may 40 million ka pa. Hindi pa naubos, meron ka pang 40 million. Grabe talaga. Grabe talaga, no? So, sana nakikita yung vision nyo, kagaya ng nakita namin vision dito. And of course, simulan mo. Alright? Ayan. Ayan, wala. Okay? So, wait lang. Ayan. So, ito po yung mga, yung mga top, enroller, no? Ayan. So, iba, hindi na to updated eh. Okay? Ayan. So, tingnan nyo naman, yung top 1, top 2 natin, tigo 1,000. Diba? Yung iba, 600. Ayan. Sa atin, our very own Coach Fernan. Ayan, 440. I think 470 na ngayon eh. Okay, 470. Okay? Ayan. So, kaya talaga, alright? Kaya talagang gawin. Mag-refer. Kasi ito nga, ang dami oh. Okay? Retail commissions, 10 levels deep. Yan, ito naman is 50% bonus the price difference between members price and the retail price. So, for example, yung product natin may tubo na, na $6. Pag nakabenta ka, $3 sa'yo, $3 sa company. Ganon. So, unlimited din yan, infinite wide, and 10 levels deep. TikToker, yan, nagla-live ka, okay? Ayan, so you can earn up to 100%. Ito yung sinasabi ko kanina, na halos pinabigay na. Kasi pagka, for example, late mo yung quota, $50,000, okay? Instead na lang, na 50%, yan, bibigay sa'yo 100% lahat. Kasi may additional kang 50%. Okay? Oh, so instead na, di ba sinabi ko sa inyo, instead na, first, di ba, tubo ng natin product, ibis na hati kayo ng company, sa inyo yung lahat. Matindi. Okay? Ito naman, Diamond Bonus Pool, 2% of total sales from all membership and product sales divided equally among all Diamond Rank affiliates. So kumbaga, right now, I think, mga 75, 78 na mga Diamond. So, maghati-hati po sila 2%. Okay? Lahat ng mga Diamond. So, grabe talaga. Kaya ito yung inasam natin. Okay? Ayan. Kasi sure ball talaga yan eh. Okay? Diamond bonus pool. Imagine mo, monthly. Sa iba yearly, sa atin monthly. May bonus. Kasi naman Crown Diamond, dalawa pa lang ating Crown Diamond. One from US, si Coach Tim Miller. And sa atin naman si Coach Fernan, our very own. So, 0.5% of total sales from all membership and product sales. Okay? Sa Crown Diamond. So, pag nag-Crown Diamond ka, hindi lang Crown, kundi yung kumbaga, ito, dadaan mo rin yung kita mo dito. Matindi talaga. Right? And ito naman po yung mga proof ng mga kumita, no? And isa na rin tayo dyan. Diba? Thank you, Lord. Okay? So, wala posible. Trabahuin nyo lang. Ito yung pwede naghihintay sa atin. But again, disclaimer, yung result natin magbabatay. Magdedepende sa ginagawa natin. Nilalaan na effort dito at time. Okay? So, to tell you, we are, di ko na-edit, 880,000 in just almost 1 year. Grabe. Sa ibang company, ang hirap. 267,000, 30 years. Okay? 30 years, grabe. Okay? So, right now, we are the tip of the iceberg. Okay? Ayan. So, yung 880,000 na subscribers global, yan yung nasa tip. Okay? Tapos, yan yung mga first 5 million subscribers. Okay? To tell you, yung pinaka nasa malaking chunk, no? ng ice. Yan, di ba? Sa mga iceberg. 20 to 200 million subscribers will be joining in the years to come. And projection natin, 1 million subscribers in the year. Okay? Before the year ends, December. Okay? So, yan. Advice ko lang, marami sa inyo dito, baka nalugi na-scam, nabudol. Okay lang yan. Subok ulit. Di mo naman siguro kakahirap yung less than 3,000 mo eh. Baka yan pa makatulong sa'yo. Okay? Pero yan pa makatulong sa sitwasyon mo ngayon. Okay? So, yung yung sa akin lang, this not to convince you kasi at the end of the day, ikaw pa rin mag-convince sa sarili mo. Okay? Aralin mo to. Bilisan mong aralin and mag-decide ka to start. Alright? Decide ka to start. Kasi, Matindi talaga alam na hinaharap in the future. Grabe. Dalawa yung pwede mong sabihin, buti lang or sayang. So, buti na lang. Di ba? Sumama ako, maganda na ikaw ngayon. Sa family ko or sayang. Sa saan yung ginab ko na. Okay? So, wag mo nang hintayin na mag-member pa ibang kakilala ka, mag-anak mo. Ikaw na magsimula. Okay? Ikaw, simulan mo na. Alright? Ayan. This plane of opportunity talaga will surely fly. Parang ano to, bullet train. Diba? Bubukas yung pinto. Pag hindi ka umandar, o hindi ka sumakay, I mean, okay? Ayan, aandar. Ayan, aandar yung train, bullet train. Aandar to, kasing bilis ang bullet train. Ang bilis. Alright? Kaya sabayan mo yung bilis. Okay? And yan. Pagtulungan natin. Okay? Yung goal mo. Ayan. And, yan. Ito yung top 4 remaining reasons why you should join Live Good. Number 1, we just officially launched globally. Nasa pillar stage pa lang po tayo. Okay? So, the best time and perfect timing talaga. You know, sabi parating owner that, you know, timing is everything. And very timing yung pag-launch. And, number 2 is high quality and very affordable products. So, sinabi ko na kanina, and marketing system, tools and training. So, halos lahat provided na. Yung YouTube presentation, yung mga training, yan, mga meeting, yan, mentoring, yan. Kumbaga, pati website, okay? Yan, so, kumbaga, provided na. Ang gawin mo na ang GPS, get in, plug in, stay in. And number 4, a simple, powerful, and yet lucrative pay plan. Okay, napaka-generous ng pay plan po natin. Talagang generous. And no-brainer, no? Di mo na kailangan mag-isip ng masyado. Kasi kahit elementary, kaya okay? Attend ka. Huwag niyo maintindihan. Continuously attend presentations. Okay? And I'm sure na talagang realize mo. Ewan ko na lang. Okay? Grabe. Ayan. So, ang tanong, are you A, B, or C? For you, huwag ka ng B or C member or retail customer. BNA, affiliate member, kasi nandyan talaga yung kitaan and yung mga benefits. So get back with the person that invited you and let them know if you're an A, B, or C. And yan, thank you so much. And before we end, itong good news. Ayan, sa mga bago dito. Ayan, sino mga bago po? Ayan, alright. May bago po ba tayo dito? Ayan, may bago po ba? Alright. Ayan, so ano naman dyan, paka-type number 3. Yan, type mo dyan na number 3. Meron po tayong promotion right now. So, flash ko lang ito. Ayan. Okay, may promotion po tayo right now. And I'm, syempre, excited tayong i-share ito kasi one time lang to, this month lang po ito. Lalo sa mga sasali pa lang. Nako guys, you have to take advantage on this one. Take advantage po. Okay? Ayan. Okay, type nyo nga dyan number 3 and sa mga first timers natin, ayan. Right, meron tayong nakikita dyan. Okay. Ayan. So, we're excited to, to announce this one. Okay. Kasi, ayan, for the first time, no, meron po tayong promotion. Ayan. Sa mga magpapamember at kung mag-member kami, mapajoin ka. Okay. O, malay mo, baka ikaw. Diba? Ikaw pala. Okay. Ayan, ikaw pala makakuha nito, no? Ayan, so take advantage of this one. Ayan. Right. Yeah, we have this promotion, guys. Ayan. Share my screen. Alright. Ayan po. Okay. Ayan, the million member movement. Grabe, no? As we approach 1 million members in our first year, we want to celebrate with an exciting promotion for helping us to get there. So, yan, enroll one new member in December to enter a drawing to win $10,000 US. Grabe guys, 500,000 guys. 500,000 po yan. Okay, sa masasali, no? Sa masasali, you have the chance kasi December ngayon eh, ang dali ng pasali. Alright? Pag nag-enroll ka ng more than one member, okay, aside from meron ka ng chance makampanal ng 10,000, meron ka pang 50,000. Grabe guys, that is 2.7, 2.8 M. Grabe no. Enroll more than one new member in December and each additional enrollment gives you an entry to win. Grabe no. To celebrate our 1-year birthday on December 13, any enrollment in December on or before December 13 earns you double entries. O di ba? May double entry ka. Okay, once na may na-enroll ka, okay, on or before December 13. Okay? Ayan, di ba? So, nandyan po, nasa back office po natin, once naging member po kayo, ayan, makikita niyo po yan sa back office natin, yung promotion na po yan. Okay, so, simulan niyo po, and I can't wait na mapagtulungan natin to, and of course, to crush it, lalo na by next year, no, kung ano man ginugol mo, ano ba pangarap mo, no, so dito, sama-sama natin yan i-achieve to this opportunity. Alright, so yun lang, thank you so much. God bless sa inyong lahat and see you all at the top.
The recording